This is Marco with Galloway Gear, and today I'll be showing you our 1970 Bulova Blue Chronograph. This is a unique, kind of funky timepiece. The watch features a blue starburst dial with reverse panda subregisters at 3 and 9 o'clock. This stainless steel cushion case is in great condition given the age of the watch. The case back is stamped NO, placing its manufacturing date at 1970. Driving the timepiece is a Bulova Cal 14EB manual wind 17 jeweled movement. The watch measures 39 millimeters, so it sits really well on the wrist. We added a caramel leather band with stitching detail. The watch has been fully serviced and is ready for everyday use. You can check out this Bulova and other vintage watches at GallowayGear.com.